Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Madam Zurina binti Juso. I am the head of program, Bachelor in IT, Bachelor of IT in Cybersecurity. Okay, and so this is the certification from MQA that we already get on 4th January 2018. Okay, so this shows that our program accredited by MQA. Right, so basically this program designed to deliver a suitable level of theoretical and practical understanding in IT and cybersecurity that is useful in the workplace. Okay, so the program development according to the Malaysian framework. Okay, that based on the body of knowledge IT itself. Okay, and then there are various of discipline courses, okay, in cybersecurity, such as cryptography, okay, ethical hacking, network security, cybersecurity operation, okay, and then security assurance and also digital forensic. Okay, so these are the discipline core subject that student will enroll, and the duration of this study 3 years. Okay, equivalent to 9 semester. Okay, we offer 3 session in a year. Okay, and then the total credit is 120. All right, and this is the program structure. Okay, so we have offered the courses, okay, according to year. Okay, year 1, SEM 1 until SEM 3, and year 2, SEM 4 to 6, and then year 3, SEM 7 until 9. So basically the combination of the subject, including the subject under IT in year 1 and also year 2, and in year 2 we also offer the discipline core subject under cybersecurity until year 3, and the last course that students should enroll is industrial training. Yeah? Alright, next the credit transfer. Okay, these are the list of subject which is student already learn in the diploma level. Okay, so if the syllabus of the subject and also the grade that student got from diploma, okay, which is C and above, then the student is allowed to apply for the credit transfer. So these are the subject offered in year 1 and also in year 2, and the total of credits up to 36. Okay, again based on the subject enrolled by student at diploma level. Alright, next is the academic calendar. So like I mentioned before, in 1 year we will have 3 sessions. Okay, for the May session, August and December. And for May session, this is the short semester, so student will have lectures 7 weeks. Okay, in 7 weeks, and then after that the final exam in 1 week. Okay, and then after complete the May session, then continued August session and December session this is the long semester. So for the long semester, the lectures week is 14 weeks, okay, and exam in 2 weeks. Yeah? All right. Next, these are the student support link, okay, for the learning management system. If you want to get the notes, okay, assignment, okay, lecturers will upload the materials, okay, in the LMS, and you can access from this portal. Okay, you can go to www.uptm.edu.my, okay, and then you can click the link student portal, okay, and same goes to if you want to log into the campus management system to see your profile that already registered for you, and then your subject taken for each semester, and also you can find your information, okay, regarding the subject, the result, okay, in the CMS, and also you will have the student email, okay, your ID number at student.uptm.edu.my. Then you can click the link, and also you can find the academic calendar, your timetable. Then for the industrial training handbook also you can find here digital ID, okay. And if you want to get any support from IT regarding the internet problem, for example, the email problem, the CMS problem, so you can find the person in charge for IT support, and also you can find the link to make a payment for your tuition fee, and also your administrative fee. Yeah? Okay, and these are the list of career opportunities once you complete this program. Okay, after you graduate. Okay, so these are the field that you can find in this area. Okay, you can be the security analyst, okay, security specialist, the incident responder, cryptographer, security architect, security auditor, forensic expert, penetration tester, security engineer, and source code auditor. Okay. Alright, I think that's all from me. So for the detailed credit transfer application, we will meet physical next week, and I wish you all the best. Okay. Assalamualaikum.